you want to learn how to create a sub number in Google Document, then this video is for you. So I'm on the Google Document file, which is an empty canvas, right? So we'll firstly create a numbered list. So the first thing I will do is to just come to this numbered list icon. I will click on it and I will type list of universities in Nigeria. I'm just going to click on enter. Once I click enter, it will basically give me the second numbered list, but I don't want that. I want a sub number. So what I would do is to enter the tab, click on the tab on your laptop, right? And you can now start typing University of Ibadan, University of Ibadan. I'll click enter, University of Jos, University of Jos, click enter, University of Lagos, right? I'll click enter, University of Calabar, and then go on and on and on. And if you may be wondering, how can you, if you want to change the style of this numbered list, right? Numbered sub list. So just come here, the numbered list menu, and click on the drop down, and you can change the style that you want. Just click here, it will change, right? And you just play around it and choose whatever style that you want. I'm just going to leave it to the default style that it was, right? Which is a number and alphabet. This is basically how you create a sub number in Google Document. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.